I just received the brand new palette from Huda Beauty. This is the Pretty Grunge palette. So let's go ahead and do a look and see if we like it. It's very beautiful. It has very neutral to cool tone shades. So here's also a black cream eyeshadow. I don't know if this is a cream or a gloss exactly. This palette also retails for $69. So I'm gonna start off with the black shade. I will say that this is definitely a very good black. It's very dark. It's very even. To blend out the crease, I'm going to use this shade Hope. Now with concealer in my favorite cut crease brush, this is the Anastasia 18 brush. It's amazing. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this crease. Now I'm going to take that black shade and just run it along my lash line to create a smoky liner. You can see initially how black this eyeshadow is. For the lid, I'm going to do a shimmer, and I'm definitely, obviously going to choose this one. This one is very, very blinding. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking gorgeous. Look at that, it looks wet. Now it's time to do the under eye. I'm going to just take that black and just smoke it underneath my lower lash line. So I'm very happy with the way this look came out with this palette. I think it looks so freaking dope, so fierce, a little goth, and I love it.